In this video, I will show you how to change your PayPal email address. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is come across to PayPal and log into your account. Now once you're logged in, if you come up to the top right hand corner and you want to click onto this gear icon to be taken to your settings. Once you're on your settings, come up and click onto account at the top and you should see your current PayPal email address. From here, what you can do is click the add button and you can add additional email addresses. Once you've done that, to change and make it your primary email address, all you need to do is make sure the box is ticked underneath which says make this your primary email address. Once that's done, click confirm, and what it's going to do is add this new email address and change it to your primary email address. Now generally they're going to do a quick security check before you make any changes as well. For myself, as you can see, I've got the option to get a text or a call to my phone number, so I'm just going to get a text, and what it's going to do is send a security code. I'm just going to enter that into the box here and then click on to submit. Now, of course, the email I've chosen is linked to another PayPal account, as you can see, but for yourself, once you've done that security check, that's going to change your PayPal email address, and if you've chosen the option, that's going to make it your primary email address as well. So that is how to change PayPal email address. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.